Let us never tire of asking God for help. Good day, dear friends. I am John Lloyd Pasion, a configuring Stage 2 seminarian from the Diocese of Tagum, now studying at Seminario Mayor de San Carlos. Let us journey together as we reflect on the Word of God. What kind of friend are you? Our Gospel today talks of two friends. The friend has welcomed a visitor late at night, but because he has nothing to offer him, he goes to another friend's house to ask for 3 loaves of bread. However, since his family was already asleep and it was already midnight, another friend refused to open the door. Eventually, he got up to help the one who needed bread because of his persistence. Just as the friend was persistent in his plea for help, so must we also be the Lord. Let us never tire of asking God for help. Sama unta kita sa kinaiya sa maong higala, nga bisan man usa pa man ang oras na kita manginahanglan, o bisan unsa pa man ang panahon na kita mangayo. Ug pabor, andam gihapon kita mutabang, kay kabalo kita na nanginahanglan gyud. Mao kana ang tinuod na higala. Anda mutabang tungod kay nanginahanglan, dili tungod kay adunay sila'y personal mga interest. Kini usab nagpahinumdum na dili lang kita nagpuyo dinhi sa kalibutan, kundili na usab kitay mga higala nga nagapadayon sa ilang kinabuhi, bisan pa man sa daghang mga hagit sa ilang giatubang. As we continue to rise from the recent earthquake, may our gospel remind us to never cease to call upon God. When we are struck with difficulty and tribulation, let us look up and call on the Lord. Just as the friend was persistent in asking for help, let us call upon the Lord unceasingly, trusting that in His mercy, He will hear our prayer. Always remember, God is not that reluctant friend we hear of in the gospel today. Rather, He is a friend who waits for us to ask, seek, and knock.